Today we're going to learn how to record video content with the Camtasia recorder, and then I'm going to also show you how to use the PowerPoint add-in Camtasia recorder. So within Camtasia, we're going to click on the record button in the upper left-hand corner. The Camtasia recorder will open and it will look similar to this. We're going to edit those settings, and then we're going to click record. And then once you're done, you click stop, and your video will automatically be added to the media bin in the Camtasia file project for editing and saving. So let me show you how that works. Let's go to Camtasia. In the upper left-hand corner, we have this record button. When you click it, it closes down the Camtasia window and it opens up this other window. Now, whatever window you had open before is where you're going to see, but you're welcome to click around to whatever other windows that you might have open. You can choose to record the whole screen, which if you see there's covering the entire full screen. You can see this little green dotted line. Maybe it might be cut off for you. Or you can choose a custom setting. Now this is the custom setting that I've chosen for my particular video, so I'm not going to change that. But if you wanted to change it, you could just use the arrows and drag the corners bigger or smaller. You can record with a camera or not. So if I turn on my camera, I'm going to use user facing. And I know that's really tiny, but I can make it a little bigger there so you can see what it's going to look like if you wanted to do that. I'm not going to use that right now. The audio, there's a couple different audios you can use. I use the headset, a USB headset. I find that helpful. But there's other audios you can choose from, or just your audio from your computer. And this is how much audio is going to be taken. So you can up that or lower that. Now, when you hit record, let's say we're using this screen only, the custom screen. Anything inside the box will be recorded. Anything outside the box will not be recorded. You see how it's a little bit gray around the outside? So when I hit record, that gray goes away, but you see there's these little green indicators to show you where your recording screen is. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Notice that the capture bar is still here and visible because I'm not actually recording in, the bar is not actually in the recording area, so it's still visible. So I'm going to actually delete this because I don't want to keep that one. That wasn't a great video for me. If I do full screen and I'm recording the entire screen and I hit record, notice that that little bar went away. It gives me a 3-second countdown, and then I can be recording it as I want. Now I can flip to other screens and I'm still recording on that full screen, okay? If I ever need to stop the video, so let's say I'm done and I want to stop the video, I have to come back to the bar at the bottom and grab the recorder so I can stop it. Again, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. Actually, let's go ahead and stop the video. What happens when you stop the video is it automatically gets put in the media bin inside your Camtasia project. Now this is a new project. There was nothing in here before, so now there is. We're going to show you how to do some editing and saving later, but that's how you're going to record. Now, if you want to record within a PowerPoint, there is a way that you can do that without actually using the Camtasia recorder. It's called a Camtasia add-in. Now, when I downloaded Camtasia, it was automatically put into my PowerPoint for me. But if not, you can make sure your add-in from Camtasia is there by choosing File, Options, Add-in, and then Manage your add-ins. So I'm going to show you that. File, Options down here at the bottom. Then you're going to go to Add-ins, and you can make sure you can manage that. It might be disabled for some reason, so if you just go into Disable, then you can enable that. But mine, again, was already here. So once you have that enabled, there's going to be a menu bar at the top labeled Add-ins. When you click Add-ins, you're going to have this menu over here. It says Record. This is the record toggle, so you can turn it on and off. This is your record toggle, I think, and the audio, and so you can preview your video. And then this right here is the recording options. So here you can decide which audio you're going to be using and so forth. So when I hit record here, it's going to open up in presentation mode. To start recording, you're going to click to begin recording. This doesn't give you a countdown like the other ones. So when you click, you're recording right now. So how to get out is you just hit the escape button and you're going to stop recording. And that 3 little seconds that I had, I'd have to save it somewhere. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and save it here. PowerPoint test and save it. And if I want to edit it right away and I hit yes, then I come over here and it's in my media bin as well. So we can add that to our media and then we can actually view it in here. So this was when I was recording just that couple of seconds of PowerPoint, and then we can edit it from here. So that's how you're going to record, either using the Camtasia recorder or the PowerPoint add-in.